Hello everybody and welcome back to Manifest Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below, and my affirmations list and audio Rampage email is down below. And my master manifestation workshop with a self-concept program and self-concept reprogramming audio packages are down below in the workshop link in my bio. And today I'm going to be doing a self-concept rampage because I haven't done one in like 2 years. So I thought I had a new one, but I don't. So we're going to do that now. You are the main character of your life. You are the main character of your story. You get to have it all. You are the operant power. There is nobody better than you. There is no competition in your reality. You are loved. You are chosen. You are valued. You are irresistible. You're irreplaceable. You're number one. You're prosperous. You're rich. You're wealthy. You are a winner. You are a winner. You always win. You always get what you want. This life is yours. It is so easy for you to get what you want. It is so easy for you to have the life of your dreams. It is so easy for you to have the reality of your dreams. You manifest fast. You manifest simply. You manifest easily. You manifest instantly. You manifest rapidly. You have mastered manifestation. You are living your dream life. You are living your dream life. It is safe for you to live your dream life. You are worthy of living your dream life. You feel safe receiving everything that you want. You are deserving of receiving everything that you want. You feel worthy receiving everything that you want. You feel confident. You are confident. You walk into every room knowing you're that guy, knowing you're that girl. You walk into every situation knowing you're that guy, knowing you're that girl. There is no circumstance for you that is impossible. No matter what the circumstances, you are secure within yourself. You know that it's all working out for you. Everything always works out for you. It always works out for you. Life is rigged in your favor. Life is rigged in your favor. Everything always goes your way. The universe is bending over backwards to give you your desires. No matter if it takes one person or a million people, everybody will come together to aid you in you receiving your desires because you deserve it. You deserve the best that this life has to offer. You are receiving the best that this life has to offer. You are receiving all of your desires easily and effortlessly. You are one of a kind. You are 1 in 8 billion. There is nobody better than you. There is no replacing you. You're never jealous. You're never comparing yourself because you know you're it. You bring it all to the table. You have what everybody needs. The answer is always yes when it comes to you. You're always getting accepted. You're always hearing you're approved. You're always hearing yes. You never worry about any failure. You're never scared to fail. You're never scared of rejection. You walk into every situation knowing you have it all, knowing you can have it all. You create miracles every single day. You wake up to miracles every single day. You are a miracle magnet. You are an abundance magnet. You deserve the best. You receive the best. You are the best. You are the best in your entire reality. There is no comparing to you. There is no leveling up to you. You are number one. You are on your pedestal. You see your worth and value, and therefore everybody else sees it. Everybody treats you the way that you deserve. You always get the best treatment. You always get royalty treatment. You are the god of your reality. You are the goddess of your reality. Everything always goes in your favor. Everything always goes in your way. There is no other choice but for everything to go your way. There is no other choice but for you to win. There is no plan B. There is only what you want. There is only you receiving what you want. You deserve the best. You can have the best. You are the best. You attract the best. You are a magnet for the best. You are a magnet for love. You are a magnet for wealth. You are a magnet for health. You are a magnet for appearance change. You are a magnet for success. You are a magnet for travel, for school grades, for good friends, for good family. You have it all. You can have it all. All you have to do is think about it and it manifests for you simply and easily because you deserve it, because you're number one, because you are that operant power of your reality. You have it all now because you said so. You're accepting all that I just said because you know it's true. It is true. Everything I just said is true. You're not going back. You're only going forward. You can only win. The only thing that is certain is your success, period. That is it. If you like that and want more rampages, self-concept audio bundles in the workshop, in the description, 3 rampages, 3 subliminals, 2 meditations, 2 overnight sleep checks to reprogram your mind. When you change the things you say to yourself, you change the things you believe. And when you change the things you believe, your reality changes because your reality is an assumption of your subconscious beliefs, period. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.